This instructional video will show how to fix certain print quality problems. If the image is too light, or you see some colored background, or the images are fuzzy, perform this maintenance procedure. Let's see how to run the complete image quality process. Press the menu key, scroll to Adjust Maintenance, press OK. Scroll to Image Adjustment and select OK. This will take you to the page with all of the procedures to fix image quality problems. The PA4000cx will run all image quality optimizations at the same time, or you can do them separately. In our example, we're going to allow the printer to run all procedures, which we do recommend. Press the button under Start. You will then be asked, Start Adjustment, are you sure? Press the button under Yes. The printer will begin its drum refresh. This will take a little over 90 seconds to complete. When finished, the procedure will advance automatically to the second process, Developer Refresh. This will take about 40 seconds. When the Developer Refresh completes, the machine will begin to clean the LSU. Upon completion, the printer will run a color calibration process. The printer will automatically return to a ready screen when done.